What's up, bulls and bears? This is Super Crypto, and we're gonna do a quick update on QNT. So this is pretty much the aftermath of the day after the Fed meeting with the interest rate hikes. Just to give everybody some perspective, the DXY is currently pushing up, and we've lost about $10 billion roughly in the total crypto market. So that's not necessarily good news, right? So looking at Quant, we're hovering pretty much at the 20-day moving average right now. And RSI, if we take a look at it, we're pretty much neutral. So with that said, we could either go up since we were not necessarily completely overbought, even though we hit about 127. So the reason why I kept saying 131 was essentially that target, because that could have potentially pushed us up to the overbought area. Maybe even a little higher at 134 was the upside bullish potential that I was considering. I think the reason why we didn't hit those marks was more of the timing of the Fed meeting, right? So in any case, well, let's talk about some downside targets. Right now, we're not necessarily holding. Um, we didn't hold 122, uh, which isn't really, to me. That's a major support. So if we can't really hold above 122, I always tend to fall more on the bearish pattern. So some downside targets. If we do go fully down and we are trying to reach RSI of being oversold, I'm looking at the overall target of 114. But I don't necessarily think we're going to get there in one shot, right? I think we're going to tag the 0.618 or the 0.65, which is 119 and 11 cents and 118 and 68 cents respectively. So if we hit around this area, we're leaning towards it. If we hit around this area, I expect a bounce, and then we may only hit up to the 122. We'll see. We have to take it day by day, so I don't want to give, I don't have a crystal ball, so there's no way that I keep projecting stuff. But in any case, those are the targets. Let's talk about short-term targets. 120 and 67 cents is a short-term downside target to keep an eye out for. We could have a bounce here, but I think there's going to be a strong bounce around 119. We'll have to wait and see. I'll probably do another video later tonight, and I'll give everybody my analysis. So hope this video helps. If you guys do like this information, and this is for only educational purposes, so shoot me a like and subscribe if you do like this content. I'd really appreciate it. I am a new channel, and my whole entire goal with this video series here is just to share what I see in the market while providing both sides of the technical analysis. And the idea is just to keep it simple for everybody to understand. Because essentially, when it comes to crypto in general, it's really player versus player, right? So that's it. Until the next video, peace.